Hello everyone, welcome to Intellipaat's live webinar on why data analytics is a good career choice. Today's webinar is conducted by Mr. Arif, who is a senior data analytics consultant. He has more than 5 years of experience in data and related fields. He has expertise in Tableau, ClickView, ClickSense, Microsoft Power BI, and SQL. So guys, let's welcome Mr. Arif into the session. Sir, over to you.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for introducing. Okay, I can see around 11 participants are there. Abhinav, Chandrasekhar, Chetan, Debhuti, Divakar. Hey guys, can you just raise your hand? If you can just. Hey, thank you, Sandhanu. Okay, guys, as you heard about me, thank you so much. You can lower your hand, guys. Okay, good to see you all. Now, my name is Mohammad Arif, guys, as my team, Intellipaat team, introduced. Why we have joined today? Why data analytics is a good career choice? Can just someone type us? Just let us know on the chat window what current role that you are working on. If you are a fresher, just type as a fresher. If you are, what is your job role currently? What you are working as? Just on the chat window, quickly. If you are a fresher, just type as a fresher, newcomer. Then if you have some experience in that, yes, program advisor sales, good. Research fellow, good. Shantanu, good. You just be proactive, guys. Just share me your thoughts. First, we will learn in today's session. It will be a short session, 35 to 40 minutes. And we will see what is data analytics first. And then we will see why it is good option. Okay. First learning why it is good option. After that, learning what is data analytics, then doesn't make sense. First, let's learn what is data analytics and then why it is important. Okay, fresher, research fellow, only 4% have responded. Others, okay, someone on the Q&A, automotive simulation analyst, good. Okay, anyone else would like to share anything? Okay, fresher, and then someone else. Okay, good. Now, guys, anyone have any thought in your mind what data analytics is? No, nowadays it is getting very much in demand and everyone wants to pursue a career in data analytics or business intelligence. What it is actually, first we'll learn that. After that we will see what is the importance of that role in the organization, in the industry. If the importance of that role is there in the company, that means career also will be rewarding, right? If any role which is not important for a company, then definitely it will not be rewarding. I'm not sure whether how long that career will be there, but if that role is critical for an organization, then definitely yes. Okay, I understand, guys, I understand. So if that role is not critical to a company, then you feel a sense of that insecurity. But if that role is critical for a company, then you want to pursue the career there and it will be very much rewarding. Now, you might have heard the terms business intelligence. You might have heard the terms data analyst, data analytics, data science. So these are all the different recipes of same type of cuisine. For example, North Indian cuisine, South Indian cuisine, like that it will be there, and different types of recipes. To understand what is data analytics, let's understand what it is business intelligence first, because the term data analytics, data science, that has evolved from the word business intelligence only. Now, what is business intelligence? BI developer, BI analyst. We tell what is that? Anyone can just type your answer on the chat window, or if you want to just speak, I can unmute you. You can just tell what is your thought on that. Because today, with an example, I'm making you understand at the layman's language what is business intelligence. Before that, I want to know what you guys have in. You can just feel free to type. Okay, let me just take that forward. Any one of us don't use a smartphone? You will think, Arif, what a silly question you are asking. Who nowadays don't use a smartphone? Anyone who don't use a smartphone, guys? Okay, now, before you purchase the smartphone, okay, let me just go back to my desktop and open a paint window. Simple paint window I'll open. I'll not open anything big. I'll just open a paint window to help you understand the concept. Now, any one of you guys, if you plan to purchase a mobile phone, do you directly go to a shop and purchase that mobile phone? So now think, I want to purchase a mobile phone now. My phone is broken. My phone is not working. I want to purchase a mobile phone. What will you do? Will you directly go to the shop and get the smartphone? Will you directly go to the shop and get the smartphone? Any one of you does that? At least I don't do. At least I don't do. Okay, a quick yes or no. Who directly check online? Perfect. Come on, let's see the inputs. Shubham, you are right. Check online. Next, what will you do? Anyone else? Okay, let me just tell you what I do, what I usually do. Then you can connect yourself with that. If I want to purchase a smartphone, what I do, guys, I go to YouTube. I go to YouTube videos and see the review videos. Review of mobile phones, I see. Correct? Type as yes if you also do. Before I purchase a mobile phone, I do this. Even you guys do? Perfect. Good. Then what I do? Second thing, what I do? After seeing just the videos, I don't go and purchase. Okay. After that, I go to Amazon.com. After that, I go to GSM Arena. I go to Gadgets 360. Okay. I go to this website and then I see the information there. I'm not satisfied still. I'm not satisfied still. What I do? I speak to my family and friends. Correct? Friends I'll speak, and then family also I'll speak. Which phone should I take? Even you guys do this? Even you guys do this or no? Guys, please be active. Please be active here. We are not learning something technical. Okay. Then what we are doing? Good. Previous mobile experience. All this information I will look for in the internet, speak to people, get various information. I will gather this information in my mind. This is my mind. Collection I will do. Collection of the data I will do. And this is my mind, my brain, my mind. Then what I do? Next part is I will combine or integrate the data. In short, that is clean or integrate the information. Clean and integrate the information that I collected. What is meant by clean? Every video that you see, guys, is not important. Every friend that tells you something input that is not correct. Every website that gives you information is not right. So cleaning is very important. Unwanted information you clean. Integrate means what? The information coming from the video, the information coming from the audio, the information coming from the text, the information coming from your mental intelligence brain. All information needs to be merged into one. Then only you can take a cumulative result. Na? Guys, can you take only the result by seeing the video? No. Can you take decision based only on Amazon.com? No, you can't do that. You have to combine the information coming from the different sources. So my mind is capable to do this. A quick yes. Guys, it's like a thing you just type yes or no on the chat window. That will let me know that people are understanding it. I'll not take more than 10-15 minutes, guys. I'll just make you understand how critical the role data analytics is. Then my brain does it. Again, my brain does it. Okay, then what I do? Next, I will analyze this information. I'll do my analysis on this information. Analysis. I'll start thinking, oh, okay, that video was telling that, this website was telling this. Okay, I start analyzing my information, which is correct, which is wrong, like that. After that, I will arrive to a decision whether I have to purchase that phone or not to purchase it. Decision making. Sorry about the mistakes. Okay. Now I will take a pause for a minute for you guys to think whether you do all these steps before you purchase either mobile phone, either refrigerator, either washing machine, or anything. Do you do these steps or you don't do? Do you do these steps before purchasing a mobile phone or any other device? Just yes or no on the chat window. Divakar says yes. So no one else other do. Yes, this is how we think before buying phone. Yes, you are right. Shubham also says yes. Shantanu says yes. Okay, guys, we have more than 15 participants. Come on. If you are not doing this, you are not normal. Either you are very intelligent, so you know everything and you decide it, and or else so everyone does it. Okay. Now suddenly, why do we do all these steps? Because money is involved. Correct? Yes or no, guys? Money is involved there. Now analysis I'll do. Now suddenly, if you want to purchase a bigger product, if you want to purchase a bike, if you want to purchase a car, you will spend more time on analysis. Yes or no? You guys will spend more time. So for 100 rupees purchase, you'll not think much. For 200 rupees purchase, you'll not think much. But for 10,000 rupees purchase, you will think a little bit. The intensity will increase if you want to purchase a 50,000 product. The intensity will much increase if you want to purchase a 1 lakh product. The intensity will be at its peak when you want to purchase a 10 lakh or more than that product. Yes or no? That means the amount that you are spending, the money involved is directly proportional to the intensity of analysis. Yes or no? So did I use any technical words? No, right? It's very simple so far, because even an uneducated person does this. Now, why we are doing this? To do the best worth of my money, to get the best product. I'm doing this. Now suddenly, guys, after doing all this and after doing all this thing, if you make a decision and you purchase a mobile phone which is working perfectly fine and you are very happy with it, don't you feel yourself as being an intelligent person? You'll tell that I have made an intelligent decision. Correct, guys? If your phone is working perfectly fine after doing all these steps and purchasing it, you'll feel like, yeah, I'm intelligent. I did my study before that purchasing it, so I'm intelligent now. On the contrary, if the phone doesn't work good, and you will feel like I have taken a dumb decision. Correct? You do that. No? And that's where the term came. Like, if I use this to purchase any product, I can name it as personal intelligence process, because this is standard process, right? Personal intelligence process. Can I name it as like this or no? Can I name it personal intelligence process? Because I know if someone follows these steps, chances are very high that he will succeed in the decision making, or he will take a good decision. Personal intelligence. Till this point we understood. Now, just to purchase a 20,000 phone, 15,000 phone, 50,000 product, you did so much of analysis. Now think about the person, guys, think about the person who is funding more than million and billions of dollars in a business. Do anyone open the business, start the business to make loss or to make profit? No one wants to make a business into a loss making company, right? To make it profit, to make profit, I have to take some good decisions. I have to keep on monitoring my business. What am I doing correct? What I'm doing wrong? Where I can improve? Why, if something is going not going as per I planned, why it is not going? I want to take decision at every time. Then only I can make better business. And how do we do that? How the business does? The same process as you did to purchase a mobile phone, even the businesses do the same thing to sell the mobile phone. And that's the term came when this process is applied to a business, that is called business intelligence. If you apply these steps to the business, it is called business intelligence. Guys, that's where the term business intelligence came. Correct? Now, it's not the people, some out there, they think it's something rocket science. Guys, it's not rocket science. It's the thing that you apply in your personal life. The businesses are applying the same thing to run their business, to get more profit, to take better decision time to time. And that's the term called business intelligence. And now you go in the web after this session and search what is business intelligence cycle. You'll see the same steps there also. Get the data from various sources. It could be your company data. It could be your market survey data. It could be your customer data. Get it, clean that information, integrate that information, do analysis, and then take decision on it. Now, next question is, what's the big thing? I did in my personal purchase also, I did the same thing, and to purchase the business also doing the same thing. What's the big deal? It's not a big deal, guys. It's very simple, but the data involved to purchase one phone, you did so much of hard work. Now, if I tell you, you decide in your entire city, in your entire state, which person needs what phone, based on his requirement, you decide. If I tell you, you'll think, okay, I can't do that because my mind is not capable to store that much of information. Yes, limitations of a human mind, because human mind has some limitations, so I can't store that much of information and process it. Because of that, we take help of machines, we take help of softwares. Ultimately the decision is same. We take help of the tools like Informatica, Talent, Python to clean and integrate that information. We take help of the tools like Power BI, Tableau. We take the help of tools like Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense to analyze that information in the form of visualization in terms of charts, bar graph, dashboards. Analyze that information, because from the school learning we are listening that 90% of the information that a human brain capture is with the help of video, not the audio. So visuals are very impactful. Because of that, I'm creating charts so that I need not go and speak in front of that person, so that he can see the charts and he can take decision on his own. That's where the softwares like Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, Python Informatica, talent, big data technologies came into existence. And they do the same thing what I did for myself. But the complexity of information that they handle is vast. And that is what data analytics is. And now, if a skill helping an organization, if a skill helping an organization to take better decisions, then think, guys, how critical that role is. Guys, with this discussion of 25 minutes, don't you think the role is critical for an organization? Just yes or no. If this role is critical as per you for an organization or no. Saurabh says yes. Others? Everyone says yes. So now let's go to PPT. When that role is critical, then now you decide. If the role is critical and there is a demand, then definitely the role is very important to be learned. The skills are very important, and that will never go out of trend till the businesses are there, till the businesses are running. Data analytics will be there. Now, data has become a major component in the tech world today, thanks to the actionable insights and the result business can get. All these 25 minutes what we have spent, that PPT speaks that in terms of slides. Now you can connect directly to the PPT with the knowledge you have. That's good. It's a visualization. Deputy, it's a visualization in terms of charts, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, tables. It will create and it will convey some information to the user. Okay. Data analytics focus on processing and performing statistical analysis on existing data set. Correct, right? Data is there. We will process it and will perform analysis on the data. That is what you did. Yes, exactly. You are right. Analyst concentrate on creating methods to capture, process, and organize data to uncover actionable insights for current problems and establishing the best way to present this data. Now, see, problem is there. Problem is how to increase my sales, how to take better decisions in business. This is a problem, and how to solve that with the help of data. And the solution is data analytics or business intelligence. Okay. Now, PPT is just reading, guys. Now, you know the gist of what is that. The field of data and analytics is directed towards solving problems for questions we do not know to answer to. It's based on producing results that can lead to immediate improvements. Make informed decisions quickly if you follow the steps. Connect your data wherever it lives. Then explore your data with stunning interactive visualization. And as I mentioned, Power BI, Tableau, Click are the tools which can, and Matplotlib, PyPlot, as you mentioned, Dibhuti, that also comes under interactive visualizations. But Matplotlib and PyPlot, they are not interactive. But the tools like Tableau, Power BI, they are interactive. And once you start learning those tools, you'll understand how powerful those tools are. Now, tips for non-IT professionals. Skill up with a curated curriculum, get certified online, or explore the opportunities to learn, do real-life projects, join data science communities, attend data analytics events, get a mentor in the field. Yes, that's very important. If you guys don't have a LinkedIn profile, go ahead and connect with the people who are into data science field. Get a mentor in the field, as I mentioned. Prepare for the interviews. Yes, you'll get a lot of questions to learn from. Never stop learning. It's been more than 7 years I'm in the industry. Still, I sit every day 2 to 3 hours and learn the tools because it's never-ending learning. Skills that data analysts require: knowledge of statistics, data wrangling skills is required. A programming language like Python or R is required. Knowledge of Pig and Hive, because the data size is larger, then these are big data technologies are the tools which will help us to parallelly process the information so that I can get the information faster way processed. Good. Okay. Data analytics work with large amount of data. This includes fact, figures, numbers, analysis, and more. They need to see through the data and analyze it to find conclusions. And you can relate. Correct, guys? You can relate, right? All these slides that you are seeing here, you can relate with that first 20 minutes of discussion. Correct? Yes or no? Because we have seen a live example and these slides are speaking about it. Yes, everyone? Communication skills is very important, guys. Last but not the least, how you communicate. It's like sometimes we underestimate this communication skills in data analytics, because you know to do everything. You know how to analyze that information. But if you don't know to present it in the right way, if you're not very much skilled to convert that technical requirements into functional requirements, then all that knowledge of no use. So communication skill is very important. How you convey something. Data analysts present their findings to non-technical persons, because to whom you are delivering your reports, he is not a technical background person. He's from non-technical. You can't go and tell him, this table, this column, this row, this information. No, you can't tell him like that. You have to tell him in the language that he understands, business language. Be able to translate the data into understandable documents or reports, converting complex ideas into understood terms. Critical thinking is very important. You have to think what it looks good and what trends look like. Data analyst must look at the numbers, trends, and data in order to formulate conclusions. Communication skills help in further enhancing the output of the critical thinking ability. And ultimately, it's an art. Guys, what are the different roles? As I mentioned earlier, data scientist and data analyst. So I've told, right? If you go into one type of cuisine, these are different recipes there. Data scientists are the people working on all the raw data and convert into valid information. Data analysts predictions and presentation of these information into the papers or dashboards to the client. Job description, what the job description look like of a data analyst. So in the various job portals, you might have seen these skills that they are mentioning that advanced Excel, you should be good, you should be having knowledge of Python, you should be having knowledge of Power BI, like that tools, data visualization, statistical thinking, analytical thinking is required. These are some of the job descriptions that you find. Learning path, basic W's of data analysts, basics of mathematics and statistics, data processing techniques, database technologies, and data visualization. These are the various things that you have to learn in data analytics. This should be the learning path. You have to learn database technologies, you have to learn a data visualization tool, you need to learn statistics, you need to learn mathematics. These are very important to become a data analyst. Yes, I need not speak about the salary, guys. Why? Because we know that this is a trending in the market now, and the role is very critical. You know the salary scale, because of that only you are attending this session. Anyone without knowing a salary scale will not attend this session, I know. So I'll not highlight that salary. Okay, you'll get, no, you already know that, guys. I'll not highlight the salary because, but that is the one of the highest paid jobs in the IT industry. I'll tell you this much, one of the highest paid jobs. Yeah, final thoughts. It is easy to lie with statistics, it is hard to tell the truth without it. That's it. Enjoyed? 40 minutes we learned what is data analytics in very simplest words, without using any technical terms, without using those very hi-fi words, not making it complicated, connecting how you connect yourself to data analytics, how I do in my personal life, how I can how companies are utilizing the same method there. Interesting, guys? And the forum is open to take your questions. Go ahead. Please feel free to type questions on the chat window. Both the different things, both are different things, data scientist and data analyst. Yes. So now data scientists are the people who work more on the data preparation. So they clean that information, they prepare proper data models, and they are the architects of the data. They understand the patterns inside the data. Data analysts are the person who get the data from the data sources and put in terms of the dashboards. Make sense? Okay. Any other comments? Okay. If not, so I'll pass on now to the Intellipaat team. Yeah. Do we have someone from the team? Do you have someone from the Intellipaat team?
Yeah, Arif. Very good evening. I'm Satish here. I'm the senior mentor from Intellipaat team. So I feel I can take it over from here.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So first of all, my sincere thanks to for your valuable time. It was highly insightful. Welcome everyone. Very good evening to one and all present here. My name is Satish. I'm a senior mentor, and I hold more than a decade and a year of experience in educational consulting as well. So, and I've just made my presence to meet all of you virtually, and especially to give you the best optimistic solution what Intellipaat can able to offer for the participants who are looking forward for a transition to the technology of data analytics, or who is looking forward to upgrade their skill sets into the technology of data analytics, etc. Right. So I won't be taking much of your time. So before that, could you all confirm whether am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? Yes. Okay. Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you, Geeta. Thank you, Chetan. Yeah. And so first of all, data analytics, as the name suggests, data means information, analytics means analysis of the information, right? So let me just show you the right option, what Intellipaat can able to offer it for you. I hope everyone can able to see my screen as well now. Yes. Yeah, fine. So I hope everyone can able to see my screen. That's really great. Okay, so once you go to intellipaat.com, you can just scroll down. Okay, you can just scroll down. You can able to see a program, okay, which is called as the popular courses. You can see various topics, popular courses, everything. So there you can able to see a course called first topic, advanced certification in data science and AI, right? Fine. Yeah, and you can also see the other option, which is called as the advanced certification data analytics for business, okay, which you can able to see it. So yes, yeah. So I have a question. I am from mechanical engineering background, MTech in machine design, 7+ years of. Can I switch to this data analyst domain by learning and certification of Power BI and SQL? Yes, obviously. Okay, you can take the program of data analytics. Okay, there is no restrictions on it. Okay, so let me just quickly take you through the program. First, we are going to see about the program, which is advanced certification in data analytics for business. Okay, so that is a program offered by IIT Madras directly. Yes, you heard it right. It's about IIT Madras. Yes. Okay, you heard it right. It's about IIT Madras. Yes. So you can see the options: apply now, download brochure, and you can also able to see only few seats left, no prior programming knowledge required, everything. Great. Got it? Great. All right. And just scrolling down again, you can also able to see about program. Okay, you can also able to see about program as well. So before deep diving into the features, let me just take you through the program curriculum. All right, so you can see the curriculum first. As I said before, everyone would be having a query or a clarification in their mind that whether this program would be suitable for them or not. Yes, this program is suitable for all the professionals, irrespective whether they are from IT or non-IT. So this completely program gives you a complete better, more clarity understanding on analysis of the data on the various spectrum or various understandings as well. Okay, fine, on various spectrum and various understandings, which would be helpful for you to analyze the data in a much more optimistic and structurized manner and to optimize the business insights too. Right, you can see the preparatory sessions, data transformation using MS Excel and Python as initial go. Right, and just scrolling down, you can also able to see data wrangling with SQL, and third, you can also see data science with R, then data science and statistics, and business problem solving, insight derivation, and storytelling on seeing the data, which is a most highly required quality for in order to be a data analyst or a data scientist. And optimization techniques, where you'll be learning about how to optimize the data whatever you have and able to derive the business insights. And KNIME, it's once again a business analytics tool, and you'll also be learning about machine learning using R as well, and also statistics. And you'll also be learning about predictive modeling, because once you write machine learning algorithms, you can able to predict the models, okay, what is going to happen with reference to the series of data that we see. So for example, if a person is earning 100 rupees per month, or if let's take, if a company is doing 1 CR per month, okay, if this continues, what or where we will be standing in the next 2 financial years or 3 financial years, if, with reference to this employee percentage, with reference to this fast pace of growth, with reference to this customer database, or with reference to this much of investment for the business. So this is called as predictive modeling. And adding to it, time series forecasting is also other important constituent and essential module into data analytics technology. And you'll also be learning about advanced machine learning techniques, okay, and data science execution strategy, business case studies, and visualization using Power BI and Presto, okay, which is also business analytics tool, okay, and data science capstone project as well. All right, which you would be learning it. So this program completely covers all the essential modules in order to be an authentic data analyst, where you'll be completely learning to analyze the data using Excel, SQL, R, as well as and then you will be learning about statistics concepts, and then you'll be learning to write machine learning algorithms using R programming, and you'll be working on predictive modeling as well. And then you'll be visualizing the data using Power BI, which is one of the most premium business intelligence tool today in the market. And you'll be working on the capstone project as well. Right, okay, so this is gives you a complete clarity in order to be an authentic data analyst as well. So let me just quickly take you through the program info. So on scrolling up, you can able to see about program. Yes, so let me just walk you through the key highlights. So this program is completely a practical program comprising 400 hours of applied learning. Okay, comprising 400 hours of applied learning, where the classes will be only on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. It also comprises of 150 plus hours of live instructor-led interactive online classroom training. Classes will be on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. And this is one of the most prestigious program offered in collaboration with Center for Continuing Education of IIT Madras in collaboration with Intellipaat. And this program also comes with guaranteed or assured minimum 3 interview calls for meaty roles, okay, into data analytics for all the aspirants or for all the learners or the participants of this program. And adding to it, this is completely a practical program tailored for non-IT professionals who are willing to looking forward to make a successful transition in a short span of time with a guaranteed interview calls as well. And as the name, as the program, as a website suggests, there's no programming knowledge required. Yes, you heard it right. There is no any prior programming knowledge required. People from manufacturing domain, product domain, service industry, e-commerce, supply chain, healthcare, retail, media, operations domain, sales domain, marketing domain, mechanical engineering domain, automobile industry domain, manufacturing domain, quality domain. Everyone takes up this course. Finance team takes up this program. Okay, accounts receivable, accounts payable team. Okay, chartered accounts, they take up this program to plan the business. At the end of the day, data is there everywhere. Even HR takes up this program to work on to be a decision maker as a HR analytics. So the bandwidth for this program is very high. Precisely. So as this program curriculum has been completely tailored for you to meet the project requirements to the meet the end user requirements at the end of the day, right? So in that aspect, as I said before, you'd be having 150 plus hours of live instructor led interactive online classroom training, focusing only on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. And the sessions, whatever you're going to attend, the recordings of those live interactive sessions will also be automatically added in your LMS within 12 to 24 hours of time, which is lifetime accessible. And you'll also be getting the course materials as well, prepared by the industry experts, and these course materials are also lifetime free accessible as well for you. And next is mentorship is going to be 70% practical and 30% theoretical. Precisely, we make you to work only on the practical aspects of the program. So in this program, you would be made to work on 50 plus industrial business case studies and industrial real-time projects, molding you to be an expertise professional into the technology of data analytics. So you'll be made to work on diverse industry-based projects like manufacturing related case studies or projects, manufacturing industry, product industry, service industry, e-commerce industry, supply chain industry, healthcare industry, retail industry, media or entertainment industry. Fine. So, and adding to it, you'll also be made to work on an industrial capstone project as well, which is from IIT Madras, which you would be working on it, right? Okay, which you would be working on it at the end of the program. So, and adding to it, there'll be a dedicated learning manager for you to assist you with all your queries apart from the sessioners. So it's something like you're seated in a classroom and you're going to interact with the trainers. So during the sessioners, any doubts, it's on spot doubt clarification. Apart from the sessioners, any doubts, nothing to worry. You can first, you can refer the session recordings, course materials. Your doubts will be resolved. On additional assistance, you can reach out to the dedicated learning manager. The learning manager will be helping you to resolve your doubts by arranging a one-on-one sessions with the industry mentors. And soft skills training is also included for all the learners in order to crack the interviews upon completion of the program too, right? And adding to it, all the learners are entitled to have a 2 days campus immersion visit to IIT Madras, where you can go and able to derive the insights in a much more to enhance your learning experience a much more clarity manner at the end of the program, right? And scrolling down, this is a certificate what each and every learner is entitled to get. You can see a unique certificate number or the ID issued by the tech university, precisely, right? And whenever in terms of a job perspective, when a professional is looking out for a transition into data analytics, there are also other key expectancies from the MNCs too that varies. If you could see, predominantly the vital expectancies would be in terms of your, they'll be checking on your real-time problem solving skills, okay, and then they'll be checking on your intense hands-on experience. So these are the things what they ideally check out in your profile as well. So, and if you are very clear on these things, automatically your CV or the curriculum will be shortlisted. I'm sorry, your curriculum vitae will be shortlisted for the meaty roles, precisely, right? And scrolling down, these are some of the important roles that you can target upon completion of this program. So you can work as a data analyst or a business business analyst, senior data analyst, senior business analyst, data architect, machine learning engineer, business analyst, applied scientist, data scientist, like these kind of meaty roles precisely. And you can also able to see skills to master and tools to master. So these are the important skill sets and the tools that you'll be mastering in as well on taking up this program. So you can see some of the important skill sets such as SQL, data wrangling, data analysis, prediction algorithms, data visualization, time series, machine learning, Power BI, advanced statistics, data mining, and R programming as well. And you can also able to see tools to master. Okay, R, Excel, SQL, Power BI, Presto, Python. These are some of the important tools that you'll be mastering in on taking up this program. And on concern with the mentors, you can see the professors list of prestigious professors and academicians who are going to handle you. And everyone would be from IIT Madras who are the professors. And you can also see some of the well-renowned data scientists, which is who are globally appreciated, who are going to handle you on the things, who are the backbone behind this program, who are acting as a mentors, right? And upon completion of the program, you are entitled to get the certificate once you complete the industrial capstone project. And then you'll be working on projects which will be mentorship is going to be in a beginner level, intermediate, and advanced level projects, because so we make you to work on beginner level projects, intermediate level projects, as well as the advanced level projects as well, right? And scrolling down, you can able to see career transition. You can see successful career transitions of the professionals as well. So you can see various professionals like Rajesh, Pratik, okay, Shazen, all right, and Adarsh, where they are working and where they were working, where they are working now. You can see client support associate to e-commerce express executive, data analytics executive. And you can also see from electrical engineering background to a data analyst, Mr. Adarsh. And you can also see what is it, data analyst to marketing data analyst, that is marketing analyst kind of roles, right? And you can also see marketing manager to a product manager. And you can also see an associate consultant to a senior software engineer. You can also see various non-tech profiles also over here. Okay, and adding to it, you can see Mr. Mahesh Chaudhary from a non-tech to a tech background, from aircraft maintenance engineer to a data scientist, right, on taking up this program. And you can also see various specialities from various domains of the people who have taken up this program and secured a job. And you can also see the some of the stats what our learners have recorded in the past on taking up this program. So into the technology of analytics, you can as of now in India, it goes to 45 LPA is the highest salary which goes to. Okay, and adding to it, if you are a tenured professional, automatically the salary range might increase also. All right, and scrolling down, you can able to see peer learning, which is one of the most prestigious feature where which is completely meant for you to enhance your learning experience. You have so all the participants of the batch would be on a single platform where they have an option to interact with the fellow batchmates and fellow peers. You can have a group project, group assignments, group discussions, everything. Okay, fine. You can have a group projects, group assignments, group discussions, and everything. And adding to it, you have an option to make a Zoom call. You can work on group projects. Okay, and adding to it, you can interact with them. Okay, you can enhance your professional connections. They can refer you for a job. You can refer them for a job, etc. So it's completely collaborative learning environment to enhance your learning experience at the end of the day. So apart from the trainer's mentorship, even though we believe that trainer's mentorship can help you to reach your goals, we also believe that fellow batchmates interaction will be enhancing, will be adding more value to your learning experience. That's ideology there, right? Yeah, and scrolling down, just going on, you can also see the next feature is called as a career services by Intellipaat. So how it works is, first of all, from the since day one, the career mentorship team, okay, would be having a close watch on the students, and there'll be some exclusive career mentorship discussions with the industry experts. Okay, so who would be advising you on the right career path and right career curve that you have to focus for the next 10 to 15 years. What are the companies you have to target? How much is a package you can expect? What should be your ideal career curve? What are the designations you have to focus? Okay, and everything will be giving you a complete detailed career mentorship part. And then we also help you to build your resume in a more and more structured manner. Then we also help you to build your LinkedIn profile, and then we share you the frequently asked interview questions also. Then we train you rigorously on the interview questions. Then we start outsourcing your CV with 500 plus hiring partners globally. And then we guarantee you assured minimum 3 interview calls as well once you complete 80% of the course. So once you complete 80% of the course, you'll start getting the interview calls as well, and you'll be provided the exclusive access to Intellipaat job portal where you can start applying for jobs while studying for this program at free of cost. right? So, and you can also see some of the prestigious companies who are partnered and where our alumni are working now. So Amazon, Microsoft, Genpact, you can see the detailed clients list as well, right? And you can also see the authentic, genuine LinkedIn reviews of the professionals. It's a LinkedIn review, which is more and more authentic for your perusal. It's mentioned in the website, right? So yeah, this is all about the program. Yeah. So any doubts, you're most welcome to ask me. I'm more glad to clarify it. So, as you're from a mechanical engineering background, MTech in machine design, with 7+ years of experience, my strong suggestions you can consider this certification, as this program is more prestigious, which would be molding you as an authentic data analyst. Because only Power BI and SQL will not help you. I doubt whether you can able to go and sit as a data analyst immediately. So, because data analysis is done through various perspectives, precisely through R, or through sometimes through SAS, or sometimes through SQL, sometimes through Excel. Okay, so it varies on the enterprise requirements. So when you're making a transition from a engineering background, okay, it's always ideal on a safer side you have multiple skill sets, so that your job or the domain remains secure. So that is what I would say to the participant who have requested this question to me. Yeah, so any more questions? I'm more glad to answer any questions or doubts. Any questions, guys? Any questions to everyone? Okay, Syed, you're from a non-technical background. I completely understand. As I said you before, that's why I said you this program doesn't demand you to have any programming language, because let me just quickly tell you. So you can able to see my screen. No programming knowledge required in prior to take up the admission for this program. And in the curriculum, the first thing is we are going to teach you on the preparatory classes first for using Excel and Python first. So you'll be learning how to do the data analysis, data transformation, and other important data analysis functions. So basic fundamental of Python, and learn how to do data analytics using the same, which you would be learning it over here. Yeah. Yes. So for sure, Syed, you can take up this program, because majority of the professionals who takes up this program are non-IT background like you. So there's nothing to worry on it. You can easily learn it. Yes. Any other questions, guys? Any questions? Okay. So do my previous experience will be calculated, or how it works? All right. So Syed, may I know what is your work profile actually? What is your work profile? You're into sales or marketing or finance or operations, or what is your work profile actually? Can you type me? What is your work profile? What role that you are in now? US banking backend. Okay. So obviously it is customer service, if I understood. Yes, you can play with the analytics on the customer service data. You can optimize the customer's response rate. You can improvise the customer success rate. Okay. And third, you can play with the data of the customers who have responded, customers reaction, customers response to the support tickets, and support operations maintenance. Okay. Number of call intakes, number of call outgoing calls, inbound calls, outbound calls. Okay. And adding to it, how soon the customers are being responded. Okay, so like this there are various options as well for you. Okay, so since you are from that background, learning this program, you can go and work as a completely operations head, or customer success head, or customer service head. Okay, or a process head, or a program head, those kind of roles. So where you will be completely responsible to play with the data or the leads that you have, and you are going to derive the business insights to optimize the performance of the corresponding team. Yeah, I hope I have clarified. So any other questions, guys? Chetan Patil. Hello, I've already joined the program in business intelligence. Yes, business intelligence, which comprises of various aspects of various all the BI tools, which also involves Tableau, Power BI, and everything. Yeah, so that shouldn't be an issue. No issues. Yeah, you can take it. And next, fine. Yeah. And next, Mr. Abhinav, data scientist or data analyst, which one is better? See, at the end of the day, data scientist is going to be a bit technical. Okay, bit more technical than data analyst, and data scientist and data analytics has its application in all the business perspectives, and that depends on your goal also. So anyway, Abhinav, anyway, I'm going to share my contact info to you. Let's have, because it's a very big topic which we wanted to discuss in much more detailed manner, Abhinav. So you can reach out to me post this session. Okay, let's we shall connect over a telephonic call or email or a WhatsApp call, so that I can give you a better, more clarity on it, so that understanding your goals, your background profile, I can able to show you, or show or guide you on the right corresponding career path or learning path precisely. Yeah, that we can able to do it for you. Yeah, fine, Abhinav. Yeah. So, and any more doubts? Any more doubts, guys? Okay, Santanu, that's what you need not worry on it. Since you have already taken up the program for data science in AA, IIT Madras, it's good. Okay, yeah. At the end of the day, it's good. No issues. Yeah, you're in the right program only. Nothing to worry. Yes. Any other questions? Yeah, what is the difference between the two courses you are mentioning? Okay, so the difference is completely, this is completely for data analytics for business, any domain based, and that is data science and AI, which will be a bit more technical than this. Yes, that would be a bit more technical than this. Yes, thank you. Okay, so okay, any more questions, guys? All right, fine. So anyway, I'm just sharing my contact info to you now, which you can able to see. I'm just mentioning my info over here. My name is Satish and my contact number is, all right, this is my contact number and this is my WhatsApp number, which you can get in touch with. Small correction in my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, 8047196734. And my email ID is satish@intellipaat.com. Okay. So you can, if you want, you can reach out to me post this session. And next, as concerned with the course fee comes to 85,044 INR plus taxes, which comes to all inclusive. Course fee comes to 85,000 plus taxes, which comes to INR 1,351 all inclusive. Got it? Fine. And adding to it exclusively only for this webinar participants, I have 5 coupons which expires midnight today. 5 coupons for 5 participants, which expires midnight today. So each discount coupon is worth INR flat 15,000. Yeah. So I have 5 coupons worth 15,000 each for 5 participants who are willing to take up the program, and the coupon expires midnight today. If anyone is interested for this program, they can reach out to me on the contact number, which you can avail it. And we have flexible payment options and no cost EMI options as well, which where you can get in touch with me to discuss more on it, right? So, and this is what which I wanted to tell you, and I'm just posting my info over the chat also for your clarity. Yeah, I hope the font size would be good now. I'm just posting my info over here. Okay, I have a question from Chetan. Difference between business intelligence and data analyst. Data analyst is a person who will be completely involving himself in analyzing the data through various tools, and then he'll be working on a business intelligence tool to visualize the data, okay, and derive the business insights. Business intelligence comes only in the business data visualization part. So there are various tools in BI where you'll be focusing to visualize the data and derive the business insights. So you'll not be into analyzing the data over there. That's a difference. Yeah, this is my contact info as well. Yeah, and I have a question from, please share your number to me as well. Yes, Sayed, I've posted the number in the chat, which you can look into it. How much this course will be useful for my career in automotive domain or energy sector? All right. So automatically automotive domain, which you will be completely planning the business in the terms of a manufacturing part and product or byproduct procurement data or sales data, okay, or business operations data. Okay, so and energy sector, precisely we can able to predict the how much of the oil and gas or energy that we can able to drill it out if this continuously goes. So automatically, even including in marine oil and gas industry, there is a huge amount of openings. For example, Shell is the #1 organization in the world who has a lot amount of data scientist employees with them today. So because their scale is different and their scale is very huge in terms of drilling the data, and it's one of the Fortune 500 MNC as well. So obviously, considering data analytics domain from an automotive or energy sector would be the ideal option. Nothing to worry. Yeah. Any more doubts, guys? Is everything clear? All right, guys. Then I hope I haven't taken much of your time. It was pleasure interacting with you all. So post this session, you'll be directed to the feedback form where you can post your feedback to us. So that would be easy for us to serve you better in the near futures as well. All right. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your valuable time and everything. Really means a lot, guys. Happy evening to everyone. Thank you.